The spinal cord constitutes a vital component of the human body, facilitating communication between the brain and various body parts, thereby ensuring coordinated functionality. It operates continuously, devoid of the need for external power sources. Ensuring the health of the spinal cord is imperative for effective bodily communication. Injuries or diseases that impact this critical structure can lead to significant disruptions in bodily functions and overall health, underscoring its importance. Comprehending the distinction between the spinal cord and the backbone is essential. While the spine provides crucial structural support, it simultaneously protects the spinal cord. This differentiation is fundamental to understanding body mechanics. The spine's S-shaped curvature functions to absorb shocks and shield against injuries, exemplifying its essential role in daily activities, such as lifting heavy objects. This unique design is pivotal for facilitating movement. The vertebral column, comprising 26 vertebrae in adults, offers flexibility and establishes a central axis for the body. Its structural integrity is critical for maintaining overall skeletal support and balance. The vertebral column is divided into distinct sections: cervical, thoracic, and lumbar vertebrae, each fulfilling particular functions, with the lumbar region specifically designed to support the most substantial weight. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves associated with various sections of the spine, encompassing cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal levels. Each nerve pair serves a distinct and essential role in the regulation of muscle control and bodily functions. Spinal nerves emerge from the spinal cord as pairs and are categorized into sensory and motor types, connecting the peripheral body to the central nervous system. This intricate connection facilitates both sensory perception and motor function control. The formation of larger nerve plexuses from spinal nerves results in complex branching networks that enhance the overall functionality of the nervous system. Major plexuses include the cervical, brachial, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal plexuses. Reflex signals are remarkable in that they bypass the brain, transmitting directly to the spinal cord to elicit rapid responses to various stimuli. This immediate action serves as a protective mechanism for the body against potential harm. Cranial nerves establish direct connections from the brain, whereas spinal nerves extend from the spinal cord. This distinction is crucial for understanding the mechanisms of bodily control and responsive actions. The spinal cord acts as an essential conduit between the brain and the body, transmitting signals critical for both movement and sensory information processing. It plays an integral role in the overall function of the central nervous system. Surrounding the spinal cord are protective membranes known as meninges, which consist of 3 layers: dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater. These layers serve to prevent injury and maintain the functional integrity of the spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, is paramount in safeguarding the spinal cord and is often sampled during lumbar punctures. This fluid not only contributes to shock absorption but also aids in transporting essential nutrients. The spinal cord structure comprises gray and white matter, each serving distinct functions. Gray matter houses neuronal cell bodies, while white matter is responsible for the rapid transmission of messages throughout the nervous system. It is crucial to differentiate spinal cord injuries from back injuries, as the latter primarily affects the bony structures and soft tissues without causing damage to the spinal cord itself. A clear understanding of this distinction is vital for appropriate treatment protocols. The diagnosis of spinal cord injuries necessitates a combination of physical examinations, CT scans, MRI, and in certain cases, lumbar puncture tests. These diagnostic approaches are instrumental in determining the extent of damage and potential infections. At present, there is no definitive cure for spinal cord damage. However, ongoing research aims to develop treatments that promote nerve cell regeneration. Surgical interventions may also be considered to alleviate pressure on the spinal cord. Neurologists, as specialists in diagnosing and managing diseases related to the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves, play an essential role in the comprehensive care of spinal cord injuries. Preventive strategies, such as adhering to safe driving practices and minimizing the risks of falls, are critical in avoiding serious spinal injuries and ensuring long-term spinal health. Emphasizing good posture, cessation of smoking, and engaging in appropriate physical exercises can significantly bolster